Hello everyone! Welcome to a very exciting unboxing. This is the Simon Says Stamp STAMPtember limited edition card kit. A lot of people really excited about this kit, including me. I'm very excited. So let's just see what all is in this fabulous kit. So there will be an official name for this kit. I don't know it as of filming this, but it'll be there. So, okay, there's like all kinds of fun things. This is obviously a birthday themed kit. There's even an enamel pin. Oh, I'm excited. This is adorable. So you get an enamel pin. It says color the world. Love that. Love that. So you get an enamel pin. There's this gorgeous rainbow metallic confetti. There are a couple of balloon shaped self-adhesive shaker pouches. So you could add those to make little balloons. That's really cute too. So there's those. We've got pattern paper. Okay, so pattern paper. Ooh, I know what this is. Honeybee pattern paper. Honeybee rainbow pattern paper. I'm glad there's more of this. I've been having a hard time cutting into my honeybee rainbow papers because they're just beautiful. So now I have more, but they're literally like rainbow and in rainbow order. How fun is that? Love. So you get a pack of that. There is some double-sided self-adhesive foam. It's got that. There is some really pretty like sequiny felt ribbon. You get a little wooden dowel roll of ribbon. So that's really cool. A whole pack or a whole container of Gina K, the Thermoweb Glitz Glitter Gel. This is in the color Bubblegum. I've never used the Gina K Glitz Glitter Gel. I've looked at it many times online, but now that I'm seeing it in person, I have a feeling that I'm going to want all the colors. So mine is settled a little bit. If it looks kind of like almost cloudy though, it just means the glitter has settled. So I would give it a good stir before you use it. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure hers, like, yeah, there's no color in the gel. Like the gel just dries clear. It's literally just pure glitter. It's pure glitter. It's amazing. So yeah, you get a whole container of this, and again, it's beautiful. It's just beautiful. So you get a whole container of that. Let me make sure I wipe off. And you get, obviously, the palette knife to use it. So speaking of that, there is also a stencil in here. There is this little, this is the Celebrate stencil. Super cute. So there's a stencil. There is a pack of these adorable little puffy. These are Shimelle box of crayons, little puffy stickers. These are really cute too. They're just really cute. So get a pack of those. This will be some more fabulous Tim Holtz metallic cardstock. These will be like, I think these are the jewel tones. I think that's what they're called. Oh, they're all so beautiful. You get a rainbow pack of them. How fun. Rainbow metallic beautifulness. And all of this with the Tim Holtz kind, it's on like a craft cardstock, and this can be embossed with like embossing folders, etc. Like, oh, it's so beautiful. Beautiful. So you get a whole pack of that. Ooh, you also get rainbow foil transfer sheets. I'm even more excited about this now. So you get more of these. They had some of these in a previous kit, and I love it. There's like shiny, glittery rainbow goodness. Oh, this kit is gonna go fast. I just want to like, isn't that beautiful? So beautiful. Love. Just get a pack of those. I'm just making like a huge mess. Get a pack of those. There are some Simon envelopes. Love Simon's envelopes. These two are metallic. They're self-adhesive. They are beautiful. And then Simon's like basic white envelope, which is not like basic at all. Their envelopes are really nice. I love Simon's envelopes. Simon cardstock as well. You get heavyweight, the heavyweight white. Some of my absolute favorite white cardstock. It's because it's 120 pound. And my camera's just like, there. Focus. Candy, of course. Yummy. Ooh, orange cream. Alright. Last but not least, in this fabulous kit, you get 2 wafer dies. You get the SCRIPTY Let's Celebrate, which is the words and the outline. So you definitely want to separate these before you use them. If you don't have a pair of die snips, highly recommend, and I will hopefully remember, I'll link to the ones that I use. But you definitely want to separate these. Just like so. Before using them. So yeah, that way you have the word and the outline. Love. Get that one, and then there's this really fun one. This is the Paint Palette Wafer Die. Oh, fun. This is a good size too. Really like it. Do I have an A2? Here we go. Here's an A2 card front, just to give you an idea of the size. Like, it's big. Same with the Let's Celebrate die. Also large and fabulous. So you get those, and then last but not least, you get the 6x8 stamp set. This is the Sweet Birthday stamp set. All these cute little images. I love the bubble tea. Cute little like cloud and star. I love the happy birthday. Happy birthday, like on a curve. More little clouds. Adorable little cupcake. It's your birthday. Happiest birthday to you. Let's celebrate. Wishing you a sweet birthday. You could build a rainbow. Great big happy birthday, which is just almost the full length of an A2 card. Love that. You could like color that in. So many ideas. This kit is so fun. This kit, okay, limited edition, like I said, for STAMPtember. I have a feeling it's going to sell out really quickly, just looking at all this fabulous stuff. And usually kits like this that Simon's done in the past for STAMPtember went really fast because everyone just went crazy. But yeah, limited edition. It's not part of the monthly card kit because this is a big kit. It's limited edition. The items that aren't, you know, I'll link to everything available individually as well. So I'll link to the kit, but then I'll link to everything individually. And then I will be back very, very soon with cards and whatnot using this kit. So thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my links below as well as on my blog. And I'll see you all very soon in the next video.